Welcome to Beerstories from Beerstory Brewhouse. In this video I'm going to show you why it's a very good idea to grain your own malts. If you don't want to miss any videos from Beerstories, please click like and subscribe down the corner. You get the newest videos in the YouTube feed and won't miss a video from Beerstories. Also follow me on Facebook and Instagram. Tomorrow I'm gonna make a double brew. I'm gonna brew a brown ale with roasted walnuts and an IPA. And I'm kind of in a hurry tomorrow, so I thought I'll just save a little bit of time and get the web shops that I bought the malts from to crush my grain. I haven't done this in a very long time because I think they suck at it, and they suck at it. This is totally useless. There's so many of these grains that are still complete, and there's so much flour in here that yeah, it's totally useless. It's from two different web shops because I couldn't find one that had all I needed. So I actually ordered from two different web shops, and both of them, the rollers were too far apart and they milled it all too fast. So there are many grains that wasn't crushed and way too much flour in it. Totally useless. If I brewed with this, I think my efficiency would go down 10 to 20%. So I have to mill it all again tomorrow before my brew day, so I have to get up, yeah, an hour earlier than I thought I would, but yeah, I can't brew with this. And actually they forgot to mill one whole bag, so that's just the reason why. Yeah, take a look, I'll show you. You can see all these grains, they haven't been cracked or crushed at all. There are some that are cracked, you can see there, and there's way too much flour in here. The flour is created when they mill it too fast, and all these whole grains, it's just because the rollers were too far apart. So this is from one web shop, this is from another web shop. It's the same deal. Many of the grains are whole, too much flour. Same story over here, and then one bag that's not crushed at all. So it's useless for me. I've actually made a video with tips on how to mill your own grain. It's down in the description. If you look up here, there are two videos that YouTube thinks you should see. Also, please follow me. Yeah, follow the channel, subscribe and like the video. That way you won't miss any videos from Beerstories at all. I would really like if you could write to me on Facebook, Instagram, or down in the comments here what your experience with pre-crushed malt is compared to, yeah, crushing your own malts. Yeah, I guess that was everything I wanted to say about this. This sucks. Milling your own grain, that's cool. So yeah, have a happy brewing out there.